Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well. In this one, I need your feedback on. I want to create a subscription tutorial and I want you to decide which one I must do. All right, so I just don't want to decide on my own. I want you guys to actually let me know what tutorial you're going to look for. All right, so I will be mainly thinking of either using Stripe or Pedal. Now, the thing about Pedal is it's more available in different countries around the world. Like in my country, which is South Africa, Stripe is not available to use, right? And Pedal is available in our country. But I don't mind doing it in Stripe, okay? So it's quite nice API to work with. So I would like to, if we can actually create it in Stripe and then maybe after that use Paddle for that, okay? Or we can design it in such a way that whoever wants to just switch between Stripe or Paddle, they can be able to easily do that. We can do that as well, all right? So in this one, I need your feedback on. So if we need to do a blog where it's for a free membership or paid membership, or we can do a business directory, okay, for only paid members that can create a listing, or a coaching website where it's for paid members only, or in this case is my suggestion on YouTube. So where you can basically say like, listen, I'm thinking you need to do this, or because your one of these suggestions is not what you would actually want me to do, right? So then in the comment section under this video, just leave your comment to maybe say what you think I need to do. And I'll basically, if the comments is more than actually the results right here, I will choose from the comment section. I'll just count them and things like that. Right. So I will leave this one up at least for a week. All right. So after a week, then I will decide to which one to choose from. Okay. So then I will check the results and I will obviously leave a link in the description for this video right here. All right. So this is kind of what I want to do going forward. So where I actually get your feedback as my viewer or as part of the community to let me know and ask questions what you guys actually are looking for. All right, so I remember from the blog series, actually somebody asked for a subscription type of website where we use PayPal or Stripe and that kind of thing. All right, so if you guys, please, if you want to come and actually vote here, all you do is you select one, all right, and you just press the vote, and afterwards I will be able to just view the results right here. Okay, all right, so that's it for me. All right, please guys, if you like the video, please give it a like so that we can actually get the poll out there, and really appreciate it, and see you in the next one. Adios.